children, welcome to another lecture of physics. And we had started the vernier calipers. In the last class, I had explained you about the different parts of vernier caliper, the main scale, the jaws, the movable jaws, the fixed jaws, the main scale, the vernier scale. I have told you also about the least count, but least count to study in more detail in concluding sections. I have also told you that what all the things are there with which we can measure, means what all the aspects are there that you can measure using the vernier caliper, that is external dimensions, internal dimensions, and the depth. Depth we are measuring by the tail, and external dimensions also we are measuring by the external jaws. If you remember the figure and diagram. Concluding the principle, means commencing with the first principle now. See, I told you that 10 vernier scale divisions coincide with 9 mm on main scale. So, see, since I have told that what is the least count? Least count for vernier calipers. What is that least count for vernier calipers? 0.01 centimeter. That means if we convert this 0.01 or 0.1 centimeter. Now, if we convert this into meters, sorry, not meters, but it will be converted to so if we convert this into millimeters, what the value will become? The value will be, now see, if we multiply, that means this divisions are 9 mm. Now 9 mm on the main scale is basically 9 divisions. So since 9 mm on the vernier scale is equal to 9 division, see here. Now see, this vernier scale divisions are calling it as VSD. This is a short form, and main scale divisions only. So we are just calling this as MSD. In fact, children, this only is the principle of vernier calipers, that since 10 VSD coincide with 9 MSD, can we say that means N VSD is equal to N minus 1 VSD. So this only is the principle. Sorry, should I here MSD only? So N minus 1 main scale divisions. That means since this is being achieved here, that is why we can give that accuracy. That means 10 divisions are coinciding with the 10 VSDs are coinciding with the 9 MSDs. That's why this is called as, this is having a accuracy of 0.01 centimeter. And the instrument of vernier caliper was devised by the French mathematician Pierre Vernier. Method used to measure the length up to a 0.1 mm. Now see, least count is 0.1 mm. Okay. So this is 0.1 centimeter, 0.01 or 0.1 millimeter. That means what? The minimum value which you can record is 0.1 mm. Yes or no? So see principle in the common form, I am reading from a book only, and in the common form, the divisions of the vernier scale are smaller than the smallest division on the main scale. The graduations are such that n vernier scale divisions coincide with n minus 1 main scale divisions. Generally, a vernier has 10 divisions which coincide with 9 divisions on main scale. So n vernier scale divisions are coinciding with n minus 1 main scale divisions. Is it clear to all? So that itself is the principle of the vernier calipers. I told you this thing also yesterday only. So what is the minimum length you can measure with the vernier calipers? 0.01 centimeter or 0.1 mm. Then next is least count. Least count of vernier scale or the vernier constant. Least count of the vernier scale. See, least count also called as vernier constant. So least count of the vernier calipers. Least count of the vernier calipers, also called as vernier constant. Now this least count of the vernier calipers or vernier constant, again see one theorem that I have, one method, or you cannot method, I would say one concept that I have told you is that 10 vernier scale divisions are coinciding with 9 main scale divisions. Yes or no? Now what is least count? Again I will tell you, the least count of vernier caliper or vernier scale is the minimum measurement which you can measure with any scale. So what is the least count? I told this thing, but I'll tell you again. Least count is the smallest measurement. Least count is the smallest measurement that we can make, or minimum measurement is the, not smallest, minimum only. Minimum measurement. Minimum measurement we can make using any instrument. Now don't think so. Least count is only for the vernier calipers only. No, it is not like that. Least count is also for the any instrument that is which we use for the measurement purpose. So least count can exist for any. Now see, for the least count we are knowing. So least count of vernier is defined as differential value of one main scale division and one vernier scale division. Now this thing you write. This thing you write in the copy also. Least count for vernier. So write this thing, you write in the copy. What I am writing now. In fact, if the question comes in exam that what is the least count for vernier calipers, you will write this only. If it comes as a general question, you can write this one. So the least count of the vernier scale the least count of the Vernier scale is the difference of RENCE is the difference of one main scale division is the difference of value of value of one main scale division MSD and one Vernier scale division. One Vernier scale division. One or ONE also you can write. One Vernier scale division VSD. This you write in the copy also, what I written just now. Now, this is the value. Now see, this is basically the mathematical definition and we'll be using it to find the value of least count also. If you have written this thing, let me proceed further. This is basically the derivation. The question come exam also for this thing also, that derive the least count or derive an expression for least count of the Vernier calipers. Then what I am going to do now is that only you will do. So write here, mathematically least count LC is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Yes or no? Yes, value of. So, yes or no? And you are already knowing, but you like still let n Vernier scale divisions coincide with n minus 1 main scale divisions. If this happens, that means if n Vernier scale divisions are coinciding with n minus 1 Vernier scale divisions, then can we say that n VSD is equal to n minus 1 MSD? Yes or no? Yes or no? So since what happens if they're coinciding, so value of n VSD should be equal to what? N minus 1 MSD. So can we say that 1 VSD, that means 1 Vernier scale division is equal to n minus 1 by n main scale divisions? Yes or no? Okay, and since least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, now see we have got the value of VSD in terms of MSD only, so we'll put the values. So write here 1 MSD minus, what is 1 BSD? From here we write here. So write n minus 1 by n MSD. We subtract this, what will come then? We subtract this will come as MSD will be common outside the bracket. N minus n plus 1 by n, which is equal to what? 1 by n MSD. Yes or no? That means what you can say, therefore least count will equal to what? It will be equal to value of 1 MSD means what? Value of 1 main scale division upon n. What was n? N was number of divisions of the vernier scale. So right here value of or smallest division on the main scale. Smallest division on, not of, on. Smallest division on the main scale, on the main scale divided by, what is n? N is the number of divisions on the vernier scale. So number of divisions on the vernier scale. So number of divisions on the vernier scale. Okay, that itself is the understanding part of it, and this only will utilize for solving the numericals also. In the next unit, we will start with zero error and the construction, all those parts. Sorry, not the construction, zero error and its correction. So what is zero error? In short, I will tell that zero error is basically when the zero of the main scale and zero of vernier scale are not coinciding, a zero error is to occur. More details to study in the next class.